What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video I am super excited to show you today a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home built in 2016, and it also has a casita, and we are here in the center of Ajijic village. We're in the heart of Ajijic today, seeing this beautiful property behind me. Let's go and check it out. Welcome guys. So we are in Ajijic village today, seeing this stunning property behind me. I just want to talk about the facade of the property here and before we walk inside. So here you do have an electric garage here, space for 2 small cars. So this home is on 1 level. You come up a few steps, but if you did want to, this house is wheelchair accessible. You would drive in to the garage area here and then go into the kitchen, or there is 1 step to go into the main house here too. As we walk in to the main entrance, down here to my left hand side, that's where you're going to find a complete casita. Super cute. And we come into the main house over here. So come on through. We have some beautiful wooden doors here. I love the entrance. It is really cute. The house is actually coming with a full inventory list of furniture as well. It's an open concept living space, which I love. The house was built in 2016, and I think they have done a fabulous job on this property. I have to say, it is gorgeous. It's a kind of a modern type hacienda property because the 2 main bedrooms wrap around the central courtyard with this heated swimming pool and beautiful arches of decor. I love that. So as we come in, the kitchen, what a kitchen this is as well. It's a humongous kitchen. You've got lots of cabinetry, love the carpentry. This is a black type of granite. You have a big pantry area too. In here, this is where we have the garage area. This is a nice area for your dining room. What a beautiful chandelier. I love that. That's something, it looks like it could be something from maybe Tonala. Coming into the main living room, and what a space. This whole big space, this whole open concept room is topped off with this beautiful boveda ceiling throughout. Here either side of me, each of the bedrooms have their own ensuite bathroom. So let's go and check out this one first. This bedroom, great size. It has some built-ins here on my right hand side as we come through. These are all ample sized rooms, each of the bedrooms being en suite. The bathroom here is fantastic. It has the same black granite as the kitchen area. This bathroom also has a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. So in between the 2 guest bedrooms, we have this really cute little sealed off courtyard, bringing in all this natural light and air to the 2 rooms. In here we have the 2nd guest bedroom. What I like about this room is that it faces the central courtyard with the seating area outside and the heated swimming pool. In here, this is the walk-in closet. So this ensuite bathroom has a double sink vanity and has a nice big walk-in shower. Coming back out to the main living area, I forgot to mention, in here you have like an extra bonus room here, like a flex room that could easily be used as an office or a TV, cinema room. So running off the dining room, we have the principal bedroom, which is also facing this beautiful center courtyard, also topped off with a boveda ceiling, as you can see. This room is actually bigger than the other rooms we've seen, the other bedrooms we've seen. It has a nice big walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a double sink vanity and all that beautiful Talavera tile. And while we're here, we can come out from the principal bedroom into this wonderful center patio courtyard for entertaining, for hanging out with friends and your family. What's really nice here is all of these arches that surround the pool area. It's really like that. It gives this area lots of character. And also, there's a part of the pool that's in the sun and there's a part in the shade. The home actually has an independent casita with its own entrance. This casita has everything. You have a nice little kitchenette area here with some storage, the hob, the fridge, everything you need really. This is great. The seating area over here. And through here we have a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in shower. So I hope you've enjoyed the video tour. If you would like to come and see this property, please let me know, send me an email. I'm a real estate agent here in the area of Lake Chapala and have been for the past 7 years, helping people buy and sell real estate. I'd love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button and give the video a thumbs up. We do weekly videos all about the real estate market around Lake Chapala. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.